Welcome. It's your boy Crayon. Ooh, damn. Well, that's an epic fail. Take two.
Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3 on my body. I'm an icon.
Back at it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crayon. I got the crayons. No, you can't see that. I got the crayons. Yeah, and today we're gonna be doing a top 5 list of my personal favorite YouTubers from this year 267. Cue the national anthem or something crazy like that. At number 5, we have this other girl that actually subscribed to a couple days back. Haven't been watching her videos for that long, but yeah. Aisha Molefe comes in at number 5.
Good morning, good day. I greet you in the name of good lighting. Hi guys.
The recording of this video, her channel is sitting on a staggering 473 subscribers, and I feel so bad that I didn't even know about her. She does makeup and vlogging videos, I think, according to what I've watched. Very good content. Reason why I put her at number 5 is because I feel she's like way above the standard B-dub YouTuber. She's making levels. The last video I watched of her, she copped a ring light, and this is the steps that we see in people trying to make a better improvement towards B-dub content creation, to show that she's serious about this stuff and she actually wants to take her YouTube craft to the next level. Put her number 5. You guys can go sub to her. I'll put link to her channel in the description, and you guys should really watch out for that content, because I'm a guy, I don't really know why I'm watching makeup videos, but she makes it interesting, guys. Number 4, that guy Dips.
Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't done this in a long time. Okay.
This guy, he does comedy videos and occasionally does vlogs. He's really funny in the way that he's so inconsistent with his uploads, but we still stay and come back to watch. Even in his YouTube banner, I'll throw those up too. He said, hey, you guys will just look at it. At the recording of this video, he's at 164 subscribers, heavily underrated. You guys should go sub to his channel. He is dead funny. I legit opened 5 seconds of one of his videos and I was dead rolling on the floor.
For the past 3 weeks or so, I've been I haven't been recording, but I've been in the books. Full beast mode, every single minute of the day.
For number 3, Remorse Visuals.
What up, people? My name is Boga Mogalakan. I am the co-founder of Remorse Visuals.
At the recording of this video, his channel is sitting on 94. He doesn't have that many videos up, but he's gonna get back to content creating very soon, I assume. He's a personal friend of mine, and he's not on the list because he's a personal friend of mine. He's on the list because I feel like he is a genuine content creator. The way he takes his craft seriously and the level that he decides to content produce at is something that Botswana really need to take note of. The way he color grades his videos, the way he edits his videos, heavily underrated. Coming in at number 3, Remorse Visuals. Yep, now we go to the top 2. Number 2, we have Zibo Bansi.
Everybody, what's good? What is up?
At the recording of this video, she has 407 subscribers. I watched almost all her videos, and just for that, what I can personally say is that she does vlogs, but it's not vlogs whereby you just watch somebody go about their daily lives. She has regular inserts in the middle where she talks about important issues, touches on controversy within this B-dub YouTube industry, which is fairly new. And I know I'm butchering names and stuff like that, but it's cool. We get better. It's chilling, fam. Rep, flex, finesse. Honorable mentions. I don't know if you guys know this guy, but he has a really cool channel. It's Crayon BW. You guys should just go click the subscribe button. Support the homie. Coming in at number number 1, we have the channel C400, which features my boy C400 and my boy Isaac Brandon.
What it do? What's happening? What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy 400 Clips.
It's your boy Eyes Off Branded. Tell them what's good, bro.
They do reaction videos, and as of currently, they are one of the fastest growing channels in B-Dub right now, sitting at 479 subscribers, estimated to hit 500 soon within the next few days because my boys got the sauce. If you go into the B-Dub YouTube scene, you won't find that many people that do reaction videos, and it's a really nice thing to find people who put themselves in a specific corner, like to stay in that specific corner. Occasionally he does vlogs, but everybody occasionally does vlogs, but main niche on the C400 channel, reaction videos, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about real authentic niggas. Not the bitch niggas we always see in the streets here. No, the plastic niggas. No, real ones.
I'm just trying to like put out and recommend like people that I think right now are fairly consistent, and people that if you go check out their channels in the next few days, you'll probably find a new video. Somebody that if you check that channel, you will decide to subscribe and stay there because the content is really worth watching. Shout out to everybody who made the list. Links will all be in the descriptiones. Like, subscribe, share, yes, do all that, and I'll catch you next time. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next time. Maybe I'm gonna be rapping, maybe I'm gonna be making a beat, maybe I'll just be sitting here watching the cam for like 10 minutes, and I'll catch you guys next week with the next video.
I'm going 20 for 20.